Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I am ABD 1394.
How old are you?
I am 37 years old.
What is your marital status?
I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 kids, 1 son, age 12 years old, and 1 daughter, 14 years old.
Who will take care of them when you work abroad?
Their father.
Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am, here in Philippines. 4 years. 4 years.
Okay. Being a household helper, what are your main duties and responsibilities?
My responsibilities is to clean the house and wash the clothes and wash the dishes and cook and clean all the halls of work. I take care of 1-year-old boy, and my duty is to feed him and take a shower and cook food and make him in the bed, change his clothes and put him in the bed and watch him sleep.
Okay. You've mentioned taking care of a child. So, are you the one who send him to school?
Yes, it's my responsibility to send them and pick them from the school.
In the future, if your employer has a child, are you willing to send the children to school if you need to?
Yes, I'm willing.
Are you willing to teach or tutor your future employer's children like reading, counting, writing, or any other learning activities?
Yes, I'm very willing.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you get there?
I'm willing to eat and learn how to cook Chinese food.
If you're homesick, what will you do?
I will focus on my work and I will make myself busy. And if I have free time, I will call my family.
If your day off is not on Sunday, or you don't have any day off because your employer needs your assistance, are you still willing to take the job?
I'm willing to take a job.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
I'm not afraid to taking of the animals because I love pets. I have my own pets also.
Are you willing to take care of pets, like walking the dog daily?
Yes, I'm willing.
Are you willing to not use your personal phone during your working hour?
Yes, I priority my job.
When your employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake, what will you do?
I will still calm and say sorry, and I will learn from my mistake, and I will make sure that it will not happen again.
Why choose Hong Kong?
Aside from the salary, I choose Hong Kong because it's a safe country from domestic helper.
If you work in Hong Kong, how long do you plan?
If I get hired, as long as the employer needed me.
Okay, last, say a few words to your future employer.
Hello, mom and sir. My name is Maricel Ributa, and please choose me as a part of your family. I am hardworking and responsible, and I'm assure you that I will take care and love your children as my own. Thank you.